Hello everyone, my name is Andre McLean. Today I'm going to talk about Cronos and we'll get into some technical analysis, some staking rewards, some news about it, where you can find those news. Let's dive right in, guys. So Cronos is currently trading at about 7 cents, ranked number 34 on 728,000 people's watch list. So it is a very popular cryptocurrency. Its market cap is 1.7 billion. Now let's hit the charts, guys. So this thing was trading at like $1 at its height. Let's see, as high as $1.20, and now it's sitting at 6 cents. And on the monthly, you can see there's not that much activity in the last few months. It's been pretty much stabilized around this 6-7 cents area. And for me, guys, like if I had to trade this would be a no. Definitely not trading. And if I wanted to buy into it, you know, to get some, you know, to see if it goes higher, I don't think it might not go higher. It might just balance out right now at its current price and maybe head down a little bit lower. But if you're already in this crypto, you know, if I was going to get into this crypto, I wouldn't be looking for it as a trading, you know, getting in and out. I'll be looking mainly for the staking rewards. So if you're looking at staking with Cronos, guys, I found 2 articles that talk about it. I currently do not stake in this crypto. If you do, drop a comment below how much you earn. But staking on here, based on ledger.com, you can get yields around 11%. So that's pretty high, especially for its current downfall in the market. But that is what it is, how most cryptos are. But, you know, if I had to enter, maybe catch a low. But, I mean, I would probably just avoid this crypto altogether. You know, I mean, it might build back up to these highs again, but it's going to take some time. A lot more, you know, Matt Damon commercials and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, and if you guys can check out some of the links for this crypto, please do down there. While you guys down there, please like, share, and subscribe to help out this channel, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. What this is me talking about what I will do and giving you some news. That's about it. But pretty much, I mean, this, not support, but there's not many buying zones in here. So I would just wait it out and to see if there's going to be more activity or news or something coming out with this crypto. So guys, check out the staking rewards. But besides all that, guys, if you guys want news, I think the best place to hit them up is their webpage or their Twitter. I think their Twitter is, let me see, let's check it out. And it's just crypto.com, crypto.com. So that's what they used to be called, but now they're called Cronos. So check that out, guys. But besides that, hit me up on my website. You can hit me up on Telegram or on Fiverr if you're looking for some business services and what I provide. But other than that, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.